Ladies and gentlemen, the Commandant Zone, the United States Marine Drum and Bugle Corps. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the director of the Smithsonian's National Air and Space Museum, General Jack Daly.
Well, if your blood's not moving now, let me know and I'll send a gurney for you. How about another hand for the tremendous performances we've had here by Miss Denise Graves, Marine Drum and Bugle Corps, and the Color Guard of the United States Marine Corps. Well, good morning, and it's my honor to welcome you to the Stephen F. Udvar Hazy Center. We're going to say that a lot today because we want you to learn how to pronounce it. This is the most mispronounced name of any the Space Shuttle Discovery into America's collection of aviation and space treasures. It's great to see such a large and enthusiastic crowd, and many of you have been standing for several hours, and we realize that, and we're going to keep this program moving. But I hope that the memories you take from today will make it all worthwhile. The Stephen F. Udvar Hazy Center opened in 2003 in recognition of the Wright brothers' history-making accomplishments at Kitty Hawk a century before. The Wright Flyer is one of the most iconic aircraft in the museum's collection today. And today we will welcome another treasure, one that represents 30-year history of the Shuttle program and a symbol of the triumphs of human spaceflight. Achievements in spaceflight are the result of determination, ingenuity, courage, creativity, skill, and that unique quality that we all share, the American spirit. For every major milestone in space history, Americans have participated in the excitement, pride, and optimism of the occasion. And today is no different. Since 1960, NASA and the Smithsonian have worked together to make space objects accessible to the public. Discovery is the latest example of this collaboration. On behalf of the National Air and Space Museum and the American people, I am grateful to NASA for its continuing generosity. It's okay to applaud there, folks. Without private support, the museum would not be able to present exhibitions and programs. Today's ceremony was made possible through the generous support of the Boeing Company and Lockheed Martin Corporation. Another opportunity to set the stage for the celebration. I would like to introduce a short video produced by NASA. Please turn your attention to the screens for highlights of discovery.
The Space Shuttle Discovery, named for past ships of exploration, was delivered from flutist